What are you called?
I am called a grizzly bear.
How long have you been in California?
I've been here my whole life.
What year is it?
The year is 1836.
What is your environment or habitat like?
My habitat is in the woods in California.
What is life like?
Life is not always easy because hunters and people come into my space and destroy my habitat.
Who are your predators? Who threatens you?
My predators are hunters and people.
What is daily life like?
My daily life is peaceful because people don't usually come.
Are you succeeding in your goals?
Yes, I succeed my goals because I work hard.
What other plants, animals, or people do you interact with?
I interact with other grizzly bears like fighting because they come in my space.
Why are you a Californian?
I'm a Californian because I was born here in California.